30 traded bearish throughout the week and gave a very bullish closing near to the highs of the week. Yes, it has given lower lows, it has given lower highs from last 3 consecutive weeks. Now what is going to happen next week, which position we should take in order to make profit, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Yes, I share my daily analysis on Dow Jones too. In fact, I share it twice a day, once with the Asia session, next with the US cash session. So do watch the daily analysis as well. And if you are interested into other markets and commodities including Nasdaq 100, FTSE 100, Germany 40, gold, silver, oil, natural gas, you can watch those analysis as well. And don't miss to watch the forex analysis weekly and the Bitcoin analysis as well. So do watch those analysis. Let's start. First, let's have a look with the help of candlestick charts. On the 4-hour charts, you can see on the 4-hour chart, see last 3 candles, higher lows, higher highs, but it failed to go past this resistance at 31 300 350 zone. This is a strong resistance zone, and next week if you see it trading beyond 31 400 and 31 500 levels, yes, it can fly high. So beyond 31 500 we may see it achieving, in fact, 31 800 32,000 levels. Right now it appears it has given a very strong bullish closure, however failed to break beyond the highs for the week. Also, now look at this. See, on the 4-hour charts we can still see it trading between in this channel. Now this channel is something, it looks like this: lower highs, lower lows, and that is why this zone at 31 300 to 31 500 is important. If it sustains beyond 31 500, strong bullish moves can be expected. Right now it is trying to trade in this. So yes, a flat bullish closer indicates that it may give you a gap up opening and it can give you a bullish move again. Be watchful of this. Now this is just on the 4-hour charts. Let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, this was the first support at 30,000. Now the next support at 30,500. This is observant. We have to be watchful of 30,500 levels. If it trades successfully above 30,500, we have to be cautious of that. Now look at this. On the upside, you can see it is giving you lower highs and this zone at 31 300 and 31 500. Now any move beyond 31 350 next week, probably that is the time. Rather, I will say be cautious till 31 400. Beyond 31 400, go long for 31 500. And if it trades above 31 500, there is going to be definite bullish move which might take it till towards 32,000 plus levels. So in between 31 300 and 500, definitely one has to be cautious. Why I giving you 31 500 also as a resistance? Because see, it is closed bullish, it is closed as a flat head there. Probably the next candle may resume the bullishness or open at high and then drop from there. That is one probability. On the downside, 3500 definitely a stronger support, but again 31,000 levels you have to be watchful of. If it trades below 31,000 next week, you can go short from there. So in between 31,000 and 31,500, we have to be little bit cautious, as we have seen it trading in this channel. Lower highs, lower lows are getting created there. This is just on the daily charts. Look at the weekly chart here. On the weekly chart, see, it is giving you lower highs, and now I'll be looking forward to this zone at 31 350 and 400. If it breaks past this, yes, it should be considered a breakout, but beyond, the real breakout should be considered above 31 500. Beyond that, yes, it is going to look forward to 32,500 levels this month itself. So this is one observation. At the same time, opening below this zone at 31 200 and dropping till towards 31,000. First support 31,000 to 31,100. If it drops below 31,000 next week, go short again, and then one can expect it to drop more. One can expect more bearishness in the coming days there. But at the same time, one must not forget, I had given this target very few months back, almost 4 to 5 months back. I told you at that US30 is going to trade below 30,000 levels in next few weeks and few months. I think that was the month of February's analysis when I had told you. Now it is precisely achieved this zone and getting the strong support here. And if it breaks below 30,000 any point of time, stay short for 28,000 and below levels. Also, it may achieve those levels. So be cautious. Now this is on the weekly charts. Let's look at the monthly candle. On the monthly candle, one must not forget that look at the previous candle. Now previous to previous candle was a doji candle, and then this drop has occurred last month. Now it is trying to retrace back again on the upside. Also look at this channel. This channel is a bearish channel in which it is trying to trade. The highs of this channel right now lying at around 32,500, and yes, If it trades below 31,000, I will say below 31,000 again, we may see a little bearishness, and then it may continue to drop from there. We can expect it to achieve the lows. And how low it can go? It can go back till towards 28. I will not say 28 this month, but yes, 29.2, 29.3 this month is possible. So this time, if it continues to break on the downside, if you see it trading below this zone at 30,700 800 levels, yes, you can go short, and this time it is going to break sharply. This time it is going to drop sharply. So this is another observation on the monthly charts. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicator suggest? See, indicators on the 4-hour charts trading above the support at 31,150 and shying off the top of the Bollinger Bands and the resistance zone. The support zone here at 31,100 is strong, and then 30,800 is strong. So 31,000 and 30,800, these two levels are going to provide a little support on the downside. Directional movement is bullish here right now, trading with a little divergence. Overbought on the 4-hour charts, stochastic. The MACD is wide, divergent and extremely bullish. RSI is trading flat, indicative of little bullishness, but also it indicates that indicators are overbought. Also, now coming back to the daily charts, on the daily charts, see 31,500. This is the 50 period moving average. Also now US 100 after a little while trading above the 20 period moving average, lying at 31,000 levels. So yes, you have to be cautious of 31,000 and 31,500. I told you in last just few minutes back that this zone you have to be cautious in between 31,500 to 31,000 level. These are going to be little sideways movement which we may see in between these levels. Directional movement is bearish but trying to converge. The stochastic was oversold, now trying to look upwards, neither oversold but near to bottom. And if you look at the MACD on the weekly chart, it is trading in green. It has hit a bottom, now again trying to diverge. Be cautious there. Now look at the RSI, this was trading flat, now looking upwards on the weekly chart, daily charts. Now look at the weekly charts out there. On the weekly charts, you'll observe this is the resistance zone here at 33,000 on the weekly charts, which is 32,500 and 33,000. This is going to be the zone of interest. If it continues to rise, we may see it getting resistance there. Also, one must not forget that US30 is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, which is lying right now at around 30,000 levels on the weekly charts. We may see it breaching if it continues to trade below 30,500, 30,700. We may see it dropping sharply and breaching this levels. Directional movement is still bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards right now. On the weekly charts, the MACD is in red but trying to converge from here and cross over for a bullish move. Right now it is bearish. RSI near to bottom. And if you look at the monthly candle, on the monthly candle, the support here at 30,000 and 28,000 levels are strong. The resistance there at 31,500 is there, and then 33,000 is there. So yes, let's see a little more detail. Directional movement is bearish on the monthly charts. The stochastic is near to bottom. And if you look at the MACD, this is wide, divergent and extremely bearish. And if you look at the RSI, this is flat here right now. So now considering this, let me give you the trading levels and trading strategy for next week in order to make profit. First, let's talk about the levels to go long. And before I give you the levels, yes, if you want to gain the same expertise and understanding of market, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably and the methodology and the strategy to trade profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The 15th batch is going to get announced soon. You can join my free Telegram channel to get more updates on it. Also, you can reach my Telegram handle and my email IDs, which are mentioned in the video description, and I will give you more details on it. Yes, it is a 15-day session, 90 minutes daily, and a lifetime support is what you provide, what you get here. And if you want to join my signals group, yes, you can reach out to me for that too. Now on next week, if you see, let's start the targets. Now next week, if you see it trading beyond 31,350, go long for 31,400 and then 31,500. Be watchful of 31,500 next week. It may give you a stronger resistance, and this zone is completely, it may give you a very strong resistance. If it trades beyond 31,500, stay long. Then we may see it hitting 31,720, 31,840, and then it will try to see 32,000 also this week itself. Beyond 32,000, the next target is 32,500, which is the next resistance zone. So I'll be watchful of 31,500 next week for sure. Any move beyond this definitely will take it further bullish, will make it further bullish. At the same time, on the downside, be watchful of 31,200. Yes, if you see it trading below 31,200, first target 31,100 and then 31,000. Be watchful of 31,000. As we have seen in the analysis, this zone should be a very strong resistance zone. 31,000 to 31,500. This complete 500 points. We have to be cautious. Below 31,000, I'll look forward to 3,800. Very strong support. Below this, it will continue the bearish momentum. 3,500 the next target, and then 30,400 the next support level. Below this, it is going to hit 30,000 and in fact 29,500. Below that, yes, it can drop below 29k also. Take your trades accordingly, and whenever you see one of your targets getting achieved, let's see if you have taken an entry here and this target getting achieved, log these 50 points, at least book these 50 points, or put the stop loss at this target. If you see it continuing in your direction, then and then only, at least preserving some of your profits or at least preserving your capital will give you the confidence to trade with more profitably, trade with more confidence the next time. So take your trades accordingly, trade with profit, trade with caution, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss, and trade profitably. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.